Keeping nice expectations of this thing hanging over my head. Sometimes yes, I did. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another update with a couple of things that I got from my apartment, and I must admit I've been MIA, mostly because I'm still struggling with storage. I thought my camera would solve most of those issues, but then now I've sort of ruined this guy, so I need to get another one until I figure out how else to fix this. And that's just that, but also life has been lifing, you know. Life has been lifing. There's been so much happening. I'll probably do a proper sit down and just update you guys on what has been happening. But I am cooking. So that's a major update. I think in the first few days I obviously was living on takeout, but now I'm actually cooking. Like, guys, this is growth. So we have my pots, obviously, and I'm using them. Like, literally, I'm using them. Tonight I'm just making pasta. I'm making pesto and blue cheese pasta. And choice of pasta for today is penny. And this is just what I'm going to have as dinner. Because girl dinner. And I've just prepared some mimosas to keep me company for the day. Because I have this to sort out. Right? That corner is a mess. I've gotten a few things, obviously, which I have not shown you guys properly. I have things that I still need to unbox, which is a mess. And obviously my shelf. And yeah, guys, it's still a mess. And that corner is still the same, so nothing has changed. But let's tackle these items that I got from DecoFurn. And I got a chair, a mirror, and a headboard because my space is suffering. I needed a chair because I couldn't work in my camp chair anymore. And obviously a mirror because it was on sale. It was the Black Friday sale. I think that's still on. But that's that. So I'm just going to quickly unbox and show you guys what it is that I got.